Okay, sorry for the delay. We're back. Monday Meals with Mr. Blaze. We got something very easy this week, and it's actually more of a meal type of thing. It's called a mummy pizza, which you're going to see. But I have a special guest with me today who's going to be helping in the kitchen. Special guest, do you want to show who you are? Oh, so yeah, Kylie's going to actually help me make this because this meal's so easy, even a baby can make it. You need bagels. So we're going to use an everything bagel, store-bought. You can use any type of bagel you want. You need string cheese. You could use regular mozzarella string. Okay, relax. You could use regular mozzarella cheese, but we like string cheese, and I'll show you why in a second. And then you need some pizza sauce, which we're using regular Hunt's tomato sauce. We're going to put some garlic, oregano, basil in it, and turn it into some pizza sauce. And then you need one last ingredient, which are black olives that we're going to make the mummy's eyes. We're going to throw this together in a second over here. Kylie's going to help me. As I said, it's so easy that a baby can do it. Pop it in a toaster oven for 5 or 10 minutes or so until the bagel crisps up like pizza and the cheese melts. So I'll show you that step by step in just a second.
Yeah, and we could do it.
Now, we're over here at the assembly station. We're going to try to get this put together. Kylie's helping me. You can see her in the back here. Crouch down, Kylie. You can see. There's my little helper. And as I said, we're going to first throw together some quick pizza sauce. Now, you could make this however you want. You could just use plain tomato sauce. You could buy pizza sauce in a can, pre-made. But we're just using, as I said, regular tomato sauce here. Put it in a bowl. And we're just going to add, and again, I don't measure, but I'm going to add a little bit of garlic powder. Maybe, I don't know, a teaspoon or so. You know, maybe a teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm going to add a teaspoon of basil. You don't like basil? Well, don't put it in. You know, about the same amount of basil. And then I'm going to add, the same amount, maybe half teaspoon or so of oregano. That's it. Could put some crushed pepper flakes in it if you want to. You could put black pepper in it, but give it a quick little stir, and guess what? Boom. Pizza sauce. That easy. And we're going to get this mixed up. Once it heats up in the toaster, all of those herbs that we just put in and the garlic will flavor it tremendously. So what we're going to do is we're going to take some pizza sauce and we're going to put it down on our bagels. Again, not really a measured amount. If you like your pizza saucy, put a lot of sauce. If you don't like it saucy, don't put a lot of sauce. We like it saucy, right, Kylie?
Yeah. And we are chefs.
We are chefs. Well, I don't know if I'd go that far.
Yeah, but we're chefs.
Okay.
We hope you enjoy the battle.
Hope you enjoyed the video, everybody. But we're going to get the pizza sauce on, right? Easy peasy.
And this will be a great battle, and hope you like it.
The next step is going to be, and I'll let Kylie do this, we're going to take the string cheese and we're going to peel it apart into shreds. Once we get that done, we'll be back and show you the final step.
We are chefs, and we never give up.
Final stage. What we did was we took our string cheese and we peeled it into... We peeled it into strands. Now, here's where the mummy part of this comes in. Okay, just relax. Right, we're going to take these pieces of cheese and we're going to lay them across our pizza as if it's mummy wrapping. Right? You're probably going, aha, now I see why it's called mummy pizza. Halloween, great little party snack. You can get those little tiny bagels. You can make this and it ends up looking cool, like little mummy wrapping when it melts. So, oh, Kylie, yours is funny. Right, we get it arranged. Now you might be going, it doesn't really look too much like a mummy. Well, here's the last part of it. We take black olives
and put it on the
2 black olives. Now we got mummy pizza.
Eyes.
I'm going to rearrange Kylie's, get this straightened out a little bit. We'll put the eyes on it. Pop them in the toaster oven at 425. You can do it in a regular oven. We're putting it in a toaster oven. 425. I'll show you the finished product in just a few moments. Back for the final part here. They've been in the toaster oven for maybe 5 minutes. I don't know. I'm about to pull them out, bring them back over here, show you what they look like.
You can't wait to see my new one. It looks good.
Mummy pizza. All right, check it out.
And you can wait to see mine.
Put that out on.
You.
Okay. Put that out on a tray for Halloween. Make a couple of these as an appetizer for a party. People will love it. Here's Kylie's, who I have to tell you is.
You like it.
She's a crazy fan of black olives, so she went a little overboard. She made an entire face on hers, a little smiley face, but very easy to make. Obviously, we need to let those cool down a little bit before we bite into them, but bagel, string cheese, pizza sauce. That's it. If you want to put pepperoni on it, you can. Make it look kind of like a scab or a scar, which is, kind of gross, but it is Halloween. It's a mummy pizza. Of course, if you like it a little bit darker, a little bit cheesier, you could let it in a toaster oven longer, but mummy pizza, right? Very easy to make. Give it a try. Let me know what you think.
How do you like mine?
Say bye.
Bye.
See ya.
Hope you like it the best.